What up, Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And just bear with me a minute because I want us to go live on TikTok as well. So I'm glad I remembered that at the last minute. We're going to do live on YouTube and TikTok at the same time. So if you didn't know, we have 1,044 followers on TikTok. And it looks, hopefully the microphone is better, guys. I can't really tell yet. I need to check this on something, if the mic is any better right now. Can you guys hear me very well, or is it still scratchy like it was before? Do I kind of sound like a robot? If so, I would like to possibly tweak around with the OBS microphone. Maybe if I turn the desktop audio down a little bit, or the audio input capture. Maybe that helps a little bit. I don't know. It's hard for me to hear on a third-party app. Does it sound better than it did yesterday, or do you think it sounds the same? Sorry, I'm really just trying to get this live stream set up working perfectly, because it would have been a really good live stream yesterday, because look how clear this video looks now. It's so much clearer than when I just live stream it on a YouTube. This is so much better, but I don't know about the audio. I think the audio, I know yesterday it was really, really bad. So I really am hoping that turning some of these levels down will take away that, clangy, whatever sound. So, oh, I need to share this. So what I need to do is go live on TikTok, and but first, before I do that, I'm going to share this live stream right now so that we can get people over here. I did it a little bit earlier because on Monday I want to do it before George does his live stream. Because we can't compete with George, man. He has 400,000 followers, subscribers, and I think maybe a little bit of our subscribers watch George as well on Cryptos R Us. So thank you, George. I also want to shout out the Moon, Carl. He actually liked and commented on one of my comments on his and Ben's video. So that guy's always been one of my inspirations. He's one of the reasons I started doing YouTube videos in the first place. I saw him doing a video just walking around, I think in Dubai where he lives, and I was like, man, and I didn't know anything about him at the time, and I was like, wow, if this guy can do it, I can. And then I find out, like, wow, this guy's pretty accomplished, and, he's done a lot of stuff, and he's pretty young. So I just kind of looked up to that and was like, yeah, so that's pretty cool there. And I am right now, if you're wondering, just sharing this over to Tumblr. I'm going to do a little bit of sharing the video this time before we start. I want to see if we can get 25 concurrent viewers. We reached 20. Can we reach 25 at one time? That is our next live stream goal. Whether it happens today or not is not certain. So I think we reached 20 during the live stream before. It was called, I can tell you right now what it was called. Bitcoin Next Phase Begins was our first 20 concurrent viewed video, which means 20 people were on the live stream at one time. Like 50 people or more joined the live stream throughout, but 20 at one time. And now we're going for 25 at one time. And our new other goal is 150 likes. So we have a 100 liked video. We have not reached 150 yet. Or then we're going for 20,000 viewed video. We have a 20 or a 10,000 viewed video, which is working on 11,000. It's still getting views. I look at it and the views go up every day. Not a lot, but they do go up. But yeah, so let's get ready to go live on TikTok. I'm still just sharing the video, guys. Please get ready for a Q&A session in this video. We are going to have that at the end, so go ahead and leave your comments over here. I did want to do a Q&A portion, so I'll start that too here in a minute in the chat. So we're gonna have like a little Q&A about crypto, and whoever guesses right is gonna get some Dogecoin. But they have to be live on live stream, and how much I give in Dogecoin depends on how many live viewers we have. Sorry, my nose is kind of clogged up and my lungs aren't the best right now. I have a little bit of a cold. So if you just bear with me through that, we're still going to have a fun, successful video and a nice time tonight. So, yeah, just bear with me here while I get this shared. If you guys want to share, you can. Or if you don't want to share, you can smash the like button because that will help the channel as well. That'll show it to other people. It's like the fast version of sharing it without actually having to use your social media. It tells YouTube to show it to someone else, basically. YouTube is not receiving enough of what? Why is that happening again? This shouldn't be happening. Let's see what's happening on here. Oh, it looks fine. Huh. I need your guys' help to see if this is running correctly. Let me know in the chat if it's running correctly and if the sound sounds correct. If not, I can mess with the sound on the thing. Okay. This will help me. I'm going to do it on my TV real quick just to see how I sound. And see if it's crackly or anything. No, it sounds good. I really think that I fixed it. No, it sounds good. I really think that I fixed it. Yes. Okay. Well, I can't hear the multiple echoes, but let's get out of here and then go to our other screen. And so what I'm going to want to talk about a few things, but what I'm doing, sorry, I still need to share. That's what I was doing. I'm going to finish sharing this to everywhere while there's only like one or you on here. Then we can, you know, get into the stream. So they don't make it so where that you can share this beforehand on OBS. So you guys are just gonna have to bear with me while we do this. I did start about 5 or 10 minutes early before I was gonna start. So I don't know where all my Express Crypto peeps at. I didn't tell them we were going live, and we still haven't gone live on Twitch. I'm gonna wait until after I share. They don't need to watch me sit here and share these videos. So I think everything looks good and sounds good today, except for my stuffed up nose. Guys, it's been a big day for crypto. Yeah, everything is kind of cooling off right now, which is a good thing. But we're in for one heck of a bull market. You think we had a bull market last time when we went to 65,000? Just watch. Oh wow, this is gonna be, you know, life changing for a lot of people. And I know I'm going to take my profits and I'm going to be smart and I'm going to get out of Bitcoin into a stable coin at a nice high level. That is my goal. That's what I'm doing. So if you wanted to know, that's what I'm going to do with my Bitcoin. Once we get to about, man, I don't even know. I want to say 111,000, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half of it out at 65,000. At 65,000, I'm going to take half of my Bitcoin and put it into a stable coin. And then the rest of it, I am going to wait for $100,000. And then I'm going to take um, the rest out into a stable coin. Now, if it doesn't go to $100,000, which I still think that it will, enough that I'm only going to take half of my Bitcoin at $65,000. That's how much I believed in it, and still do. So that's what I did last time. That's what I'll do this time. You take half of it, and then boom, that was basically all profit anyway. So I already took my profits off the tables. Boom, and then you do it again, and you can turn 10,000 into 20,000 over and over and over and over again, as long as you do it strategically correct. I didn't do it this time correctly. So basically all I did is ride the wave and bought more as it went down, which was good, yes. But what I could have done is got out at 65,000 and all of it into a stable coin and then rode it all the way back down for when Bitcoin was at 29,000, and then I should have just bought back in with all the money that I had in stable coins at that point. That would have been a major gain. I would have turned point 0.24 Bitcoin into about 0.5 to 0.6 Bitcoin if that would have happened the way that I'm going to do it this time. So once we get to high prices, I'm not selling out, but I'm going to move them over to stable coins. And then once Bitcoin goes back down again, then I'm going to buy in at a lower level in the bear market. So I'm going to do the best strategy possible in order to make the highest gains with the money that I have. If I can turn $10,000 into $1,000,000, all I have to do is 100x my money with $10,000, right? 10 times is $100,000. 100 times is $1,000,000. If I can 100x $10,000, that will be $1,000,000, and that's how you can turn 10,000 into a million. Well, if you find the right altcoin, you can do that. If you wait for Bitcoin to go to 1,000,000, you could possibly do that. Stuff like that. So I need to copy this. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang! If any of you that are on the stream right now are from Express Crypto, can you guys please go over there and get people and let them know we're doing a live stream? I'm pretty sure And isn't here, or else he probably would have commented. But we really need to get other people over here. That's what I'm doing, is I'm sharing my videos right now on social medias. Yeah. And then we're going to talk about a lot of stuff with Bitcoin, XRP, Dogecoin, guys. So this video, I have decided I'm going to give you guys money in Dogecoin. If you can answer the question correctly, and if we get 25 concurrent viewers, I will do double the amount that I was going to do. So I'm going to do $3 for the question in Dogecoin. And then if we get to 25 concurrent viewers on the channel, which means 25 at one time, then I will double that to $6 in Dogecoin. And if we get to each one we go up after that, I will give another dollar in Dogecoin. Up to $10. That's the highest that I can go. So if we get to 30 concurrent viewers, I will give out $10. 25 will get 6. Anything under 25 will get 3. Yeah, and then $1 after 25. So 26 will be $7. 27 will be $8. 28 will be $9, and 29 will be $10, and that will be the max. So 29. Excuse me. Yes, I want to share it in a group. Oh, you guys can see all this now, huh? Ha! That's funny. Now you can actually see what I'm doing instead of me just doing it. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang. I wish I could have put some Bitcoin on that right there, right? Now let's do it to the Facebook group. Our Bitcoin Renegade page, not group. We just did it to our group. Yeah, we have a group. We have a page over on Facebook, just in case you didn't know and you want to, be part of the community over there. We're doing big things. I'm going to make a bigger page over there probably very soon. Yeah. So, and Twitter. I want to share this video over here too. I don't know how to get to this video. There it is. So I can share it in a tweet. Oh, I can do it over here too. And it's just called Goodbye and Good Bitcoin. Bang! And tweet. Tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. We're making lots of money with this tweet, 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 tweet. I was watching PewDiePie earlier. I watch that every now and again. I actually watch T-Series every now and again too. Guess what, India? I love you guys, but you are way down on my views now. I hate to say that. Look, I'm gonna show you. I was really sad to see this. Really sad. I couldn't believe it. I still don't believe it. I think they're lying. I think they're lying. I think my Indian homies are still supporting me. Ooh, it's super bad. I don't know if I want to show you guys this. Ooh. But we still have some Sri Lanka love. The UK love is gone. I don't know. I guess I don't vibe well with UK. Or wait, let's see if they're still on there. No way. South Korea. Oh, there's oh, okay, never mind. UK is still there. It's actually one of the top. But I'm going to show you guys. India, you were like 30% of my viewers before. I don't know what happened. I love India. I love all my homies. So there you go. I'm going to show you right up here. So views, United States is #1 now, baby. United States, which I love my home country. Thank you guys, U.S. love. Nepal, look at that. Nepal, who is Nepal? Nepal out of nowhere, right? I know Nepal. I know you guys. What's up, Nepal? Thank you. And then look, India, 8.6. Are you kidding me? Where's my peeps at, guys? I don't get it. Doesn't make sense, man. I thought we were homies. No, we are. I guess Nepal just went hard, and so did the U.S. India, we got this. Remember T-Series versus PewDiePie. That proves the power of the Indian community. So hopefully they'll let me in the community so that we can, yeah, so we can be homies. So we can be cool. 2 concurrent viewers. Ooh, concurrent viewers. Yeah, we need, this number needs to be at 25. Number of viewers connected to this stream at the most recently available time. Okay. Chat rate. Oh, hey! Sharing the stream and going to bed. Hey, what up? XDR0. I saw your video at the beach, bro. I hope you had a good vacation. Hope you and your family are having a good time at the beach. That wind, man, it can be a pain in the butt. What up, Starth Meta? That kind of sounds like one of the Star Wars names for one of the bad guys, like Darth Maul or Darth Sai, Starth Meta. That's the new bad guy for No, I'm just kidding. That's a cool name, bro. Or lady, I'm sorry. Lady bro? Bro, lady bro, I don't know. But what up to India? You guys have fallen down my list on the top geographies for the channel. So I did goodbye and good Bitcoin for you, XDR0, because you always shout that out. I get a kick out of it myself when I watch it. I love it. It's one of the best things. It's one of the reasons that I do these videos still. I'm not going to lie to you. The ending and actually the intro are two of my favorite parts of doing the videos. So, all right, I think I'm just about done sharing this. And after I share, then I am going to start the Twitch or the TikTok live stream, guys. This will be the first time I've ever gone live on TikTok. We have like over 1,000 followers on TikTok, and that all happened in the last week. I'm blowing up on TikTok, I think. I don't know if that's blowing up on TikTok, but yeah, we're at 1044. So, pretty good, pretty good. One of our videos got, let's see, 2,934 views. Another one got 1,460, 1,503. So we had a few, alright, 475, 831. And then a lot of 200 viewers. And then like a 5, a 9, and so on. So we got a little bit of a following on TikTok over there. So thank you guys, everybody. I appreciate it. Indian TikTok is banned. What? That sucks, man. I'm sorry. Jeez. I would have loved to have my Indian homies on TikTok. That's why my stuff isn't doing too well on TikTok, because it's banned in India. All my homies can't watch the TikTok, man. What's the heck? I haven't seen Vanish Joy on a live stream. If you're there, Vanish, say hi. I've never seen you on a live stream. I just say hi. That's all you gotta do. That's all. Dang, my nose is all clogged up. All right. Should I go live on TikTok now? And then let's get out of this page right here. You don't want to just look at this. Oh, before I do that, I want to put the question that I have. I prepared this for you guys, like I said I was going to. This should be pretty simple for most of you. I don't want to make it too easy. The thing I thought of, I think it might just be a little too easy. That's the only thing. I want to make it a little difficult for you. Oh, I know one. And it won't just be a yes or no answer. And it goes off of something Ethetos said yesterday on the stream. Okay, so this is going to be the question. It's pretty straightforward. And if you know anything about the blockchain, then this should be easy for you. Whoops. Between okay. And then I also want you to answer a second part to that question. And it's kind of a different question, but you have to answer both of them. Because original mining rewards for Bitcoin, and what are they now? So this is a three-pronged question. So you have to answer first, what is the difference between POS, proof of stake, and POW, proof of work? What was the original mining rewards for? So that's the first question right there. What is the difference between proof of stake and proof of work? And the second part of this question, you have to answer both of them correctly. So one question here, let's just say question number 1. Okay. And then this will be question number 2. And you have to get both of these correct in order to win. That's why I'm going to give away $3 of Dogecoin to the winner. Now, if we get 25 concurrent viewers, which means the audio stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. Uh-oh. Is the audio off again, guys? Dang it. But anyway, if we get to 25 concurrent viewers, I will give away $6 in Dogecoin. And each viewer we get after the 25 concurrent viewers will be another dollar added to the Dogecoin that I give away for this video. So if this is at 25, I give away $6 in Dogecoin. 26, $7, 27, $8, and so on, all the way up to 10 bucks. So now I am posting the question. You guys have till the end of the stream to answer it, and go. So I'm only giving away $3 for this question right now until we get to 25 concurrent viewers while I do the live stream. There's some things we're going to be talking about, and that will give you time to answer the question. You don't have to do it right this second. Make sure you answer both of the questions. Yeah, and have fun with it. So let's go over here. I wanted to look at Dogecoin right now. And how it's been doing. Look at that, 32 cents. So why is Dogecoin going way, way, way back up? Well, it's altcoin season. Look, it went to 35. But also, look what else happened. Is it going to tell us here? Oh, yeah. Dogecoin jumps 12% as Mark Cuban and Elon Musk call it the strongest cryptocurrency. See, when people say something about a project, it has major weight behind it. So people know that they have that power. And a lot of people use that power wisely, but some people don't. You know, I want to start the live stream on TikTok now that I'm talking about this. I've never done this before, so let's do it. All right, 147 followers are active now. Okay. Should I add a title? Okay, yeah. Good. I'm just going to do the same one. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang. Okay. And then, hold up, I need to hashtag that Bitcoin. All right. You must be, yep. What up, Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And we're already live over here on YouTube right now. And so what we're going to do is I'm mainly going to be looking this way at the screen. So if I'm not looking right at you, that's why we're actually doing a live stream on YouTube at the same time. So that's why I wanted to get 1,000 followers on TikTok. This is my first experience with a live stream over there. I'm just now figuring out kind of how to live stream on YouTube as well. So this channel is hopefully going to blow up here pretty soon. This is my first experience with it. I think we're doing pretty good so far. I really like the camera on my phone. I wish I had it on my laptop for my YouTube followers. But once we get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, then I can use my phone to do videos on, to live stream on my phone. So that'll be really awesome. Then it'll be really good connection, good sound, good everything. So that's what I'm hoping for. And what we were talking about over here is Dogecoin jumps 12% as Mark Cuban and Elon Musk call it the strongest cryptocurrency. So, wanted to go live together. No, not right now. I'm trying to do this video. I'm not prepared. Thank you anyway, though. I appreciate that. But yeah, as we were saying, Dogecoin is up to 32 cents right now. We went up to 35 cents at 4 a.m. Now we have had a little bit of a retest down here. As always, we have our 30-cent support at Dogecoin, and that is a very strong level of support, just like it was a very strong level of resistance at one point. And so I see Dogecoin having another rebound, possibly in the next couple of days. So the good thing about Bitcoin, we have a 200 daily moving average for Bitcoin, and what that is right now is $45,473. And what happened is we went right up to the $48,000 level, bounced right off of the $48,000 level, which is our new resistance point, and then kind of, tumbled down all the way to our new support, which is amazing that we have this support now, because last week and the week before we closed underneath the 200-day moving average, which in turn made it harder for us to go above these key resistance points this week and to the near future. So what I think we need to do, is just get more volume coming in when we go to the upside. We are definitely undersold, not undersold, but not oversold on the Bitcoin chart. I can see us breaking out of this $48,000 barrier within, this week, maybe by Friday. And so we'll keep an eye on these levels. Right now we're in an ascending wedge, or a rising wedge, whatever you want to call it, on the 4-hour and the 1 hour. And also on the daily, there's like a giant rising wedge there as well. The only thing on TikTok that I can't show you is the screen. I guess I can, that's the only part I don't know about TikTok. Would you guys want me to show you the screen, or, how can we do this? I'm kind of new to TikTok, so if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments here. Or if you just want to hear me talk about it, that's fine too. It's kind of just whatever. If you don't know, this is the Bitcoin Renegade community now on TikTok. We've been live on YouTube for about a couple months now, and we have turned $10,000 into $20,000 several different times with Coinbase, with Bitcoin, and we plan to do it a third time. So hopefully we can share that experience with you guys, maybe teach you a lesson or two, and maybe you guys can help teach me, because only ignorant people think that they have learned everything. We all have stuff to learn, and we can learn from each other. And that's why this is such an inclusive community. If you don't know, we are the most interactive community on YouTube and now TikTok. So basically, any comment that you see on YouTube or now TikTok, I'm going to answer. I'm going to interact with you guys and maybe collaborate. I don't know who this was that invited me, but when we're done with the live stream, I'm definitely going to talk to whoever, if you're still here, see if we can have, maybe a collaboration. We just had stuff planned already for tonight. Let's see, we're the third day into the 500 subscriber $30 banner competition, and votes are live now on YouTube. And what happened is our community created 10 different banners, 10 different community members, and they were all for the Bitcoin Renegade YouTube channel. I wish TikTok would have something like that. I'd have you guys do like a contest. That's pretty cool. Maybe I'll think of that. So that's what we're having them do. It's too late to enter, but you can get over there and vote for your favorite banner, or you can just leave a comment over there. Let them know which one you like the best. So what we're doing is looking at the Bitcoin chart right here. We're on the 4-hour, and I'm going to kind of just show you guys as we go along so you can see with what I'm doing. There is a rising wedge right here, and this is horrible. I don't like the live stream idea to just look at the screen. I wonder, is there a way that I can flip the screen around on the connection? Sorry, this is literally my, oh, flip camera, you can. Oh, yes! Okay, guys, now I figured it out, and we're going to have a better time. So this is what we're doing right here. We have this rising wedge, right, in Bitcoin, and this is on the 4-hour chart. So, I mean, you could take it all the way back here and go up. It's still a rising wedge. It's basically been a rising wedge, the whole time. Or you could even move closer to the 1-hour chart and see like exactly what we got going on over here. It's more sideways action, right? So, wow. I mean, there is definitely a resistance point right here. Whoops. Definitely a resistance right there, And that makes another rising wedge over there as well. So, I mean, we just have rising wedges all over the place, guys. And it looks like it wants to do head and shoulders patterns right here, but then it doesn't go up high enough to pull out a head and shoulders pattern. They're the same height, right? So we almost have like these cup and handle patterns that are starting to form, and then they just do nothing. So we're just going to keep an eye out for the next couple of days. You see we're starting to hit to the bottom of this ascending wedge again, which means, guess what we're going to be doing next? We're going to be going to the top again. So this is what we're going to have to look for. We're bouncing right off this 200 daily moving average right here, guys. And we're going to go bounce off of this and go right back up and test this resistance again. And that's what's going to happen in the next 24 hours or so, and we'll know by the weekend, unless we do decide to break down below this level even more. We did break below the ascending wedge earlier. I don't know exactly what chart that was on. Oh, it was this one. Yeah, we broke below, like right here. I could probably even show you here. It was like right here. See that? And we broke below the ascending wedge right there. But it looks like we have a little bit of support right here too. And the volume isn't bad. And plus we're going up now again. So I think we're good to go. We did go below. That's the only thing that I was a little bit worried about. Look. On the daily. We went below the 200-day moving average. Sorry. Yeah, we went right below it. We wicked right below it there at 45,260. So that was close. If we would have, closed below that on the daily candle, we would have been in trouble. Then that would not have been our support line. But now, guess what? That's support. So let's go back into the 1-hour chart, and it doesn't look as bad now. Right? So when in doubt, zoom out. That's what I always say. That's what everybody always says, right? So when in doubt, zoom out. But so, yeah, it did break below the ascending wedge there. I mean, that's one thing with technical analysis that I'm not sure of. So now that ascending wedge broke out, well, what if I do a new pattern, the new line? We put a new line here now, right? So now it's another ascending wedge, and hopefully it's going to bounce to the upside again. So that's why we have this line in the middle right here, because that was the ascending wedge that broke to the downside, as you see right here. Not a lot, but enough to, I don't think that's enough to confirm the breakout below it, right? But maybe. That would be a judgment call, I would say, on your end. If we went below this 200-day moving average, then I would say maybe be worried. So if you can tell, that is a little bit of volume right there, but not like the volume that came in. So that's what you got to look at. Look at all the volume there in the green. Does it look, sorry, it needs to, there. And then you can see the red. It doesn't really match that well. It looks like there's a lot more red volume right now than green. So I think that it's time. And with the RSI being below, let me flip back here. With the RSI being below, I think that we are going in a positive direction. So I really think that Bitcoin is going to go to 50,000, and I think it's going to be within possibly the next week or so. But that's not the only thing that's doing good right now, guys. Altcoins are just going off the hook again. If you missed the first bull market, freaking awesome, best time of my life, making money hand over fist every day market that we just had a couple months ago, you get a second chance now. And a lot of people were just so disappointed when the market went down and that they didn't take their profits, that they didn't invest in Bitcoin, that they didn't invest in altcoins. Well, guess what? You get another chance. So we went to 65. We know that Bitcoin can at least go to 65K. And what other bull market in Bitcoin history has ever gone below and stayed below an all-time high after it already went in the same market cycle? It keeps going. Every time it keeps going after that. It never goes to an all-time high and then goes down to like a little, like half of that, and then goes sideways for a while and then goes back up maybe halfway to the previous all-time high and then goes back down. That would make zero sense. We would have went down before. So to think that we're not going to go up to a new all-time high right now is improbable at best, because the charts say that it's not going to happen. The cycles on Bitcoin, the 4-year cycles, which are supply and demand built into the protocol, say that it's not going to happen. So that's what I agree with. Now let's flip you guys around and let's look at Ethereum next. That's what I wanted to look at, see what's happening with Ethereum. Is it still just going moonshot, or what's the deal with this Ethereum thing? Crypto, this freaking awesome monetary value. Look, that one broke down out of the ascending wedge too. So we've had a lot of breakdowns. Ascending wedges or rising wedges are notorious for breaking to the downside. So that's what happened to us, guys. We had a bunch, and look, there was even another support level right here that got broke along with the ascending wedge. So there was a couple levels of support that actually got broken for Ethereum. So that's why we're down here, and I think we kind of bounced a little bit off of this. So, but we're pretty good to go, I think, on Ethereum. It needed a reset, guys. We were so high up. That's the 1 hour, but let's go out to the daily on Ethereum, and I'll show you what I mean. We were so above the RSI right here. Right here on August 7th, and then just we were way above it for that whole time right here. You see that? And then, man, we finally broke under it. You have to. That's oversold for so long. So it had to break down below that. I was just waiting for that to happen. I didn't want it to. Don't get me wrong. I wanted it to keep going. Let's go all the way to 80, 90. Heck, let's go to 99. What's the highest it's ever been before? Let's go to that. But yeah, it had to cool off. You can understand that. That's oversold right there. So that and it breaking with the rising wedge here, it was inevitable that was going to happen. So, but it gives it a chance to reset and to cool off a little bit before it goes further. That's what it has done the whole bull cycle before. And that's why I love George and Cryptos R Us, because he is the perfect, like, therapist mode type person, because he's always like, man, quit being upset. You know, the other day we were just at this level, and how can you be mad that we're at this level now? And I'm like, yeah, I agree. I mean, come on, we're at 3,100. Here, I'll put it in my own words. We're at $3,100 on Ethereum right now. We were just at $1,700 like a couple weeks ago, and now that it's gone down from 3,300 to 31, I mean, it's not the end of the world. The world isn't over. We're not losing everything. If you're smart, you're still in the profit. And if you think the market's going to keep going from here, well, Ethereum is down farther than it's been in a while, right? At least for the last since August 7th, so in the last week, this is the lowest that it's been the whole time. So, yeah, you got to look at those kind of things and look at the average. One thing that I tell any investor, not financial advice, look at the average price for any coin. Look at the lately, like the moving averages. That's why moving averages are so important. Okay, but you can also deduct your own moving averages. Like, okay, what is the normal price for Ethereum right now? What has it been at lately? Well, 3,300 is the all-time high for right now for the last couple of days, the last week or so. So, well, now it's down to 31. Okay, well, if the bull market's going to continue, this might not be a bad place to dollar cost average in. Not financial advice. But you have to think of those kind of things when you're making decisions on when to buy in, especially when the price is up. Okay, and that's why a lot of investors miss out on an opportunity. A lot of people miss out at the $29,000 level for whatever reason. They either don't watch the video, they don't know about it, they didn't have the money, whatever our reason is for not being able to buy. Like when it was at 8,000 last year, that's when I got it. I tried to get a $100,000 loan. I wanted to. I would have done anything legal to get it, and they wouldn't give me the loan. I wanted to get it. I was gonna buy. I wanted a $100,000 loan or a $10,000 loan, and I wasn't able to get either of them. I wanted to buy Bitcoin. If I got a $10,000 loan, I was going to buy 1.2 Bitcoin. If I got a $100,000 loan, I was going to buy, I think I could have got like 12 or 13 Bitcoin for 100 grand at the time. And do the math now. I mean, even at $40,000, I probably would have bought some Ethereum too, but, and it was only at $200 last year. $200 for Ethereum. And now it's sitting at 31. I would have been rich, but that's the thing. It's hard to get loans, especially if it's for Bitcoin. Like, yeah, what do you want a loan for? Well, I want to buy like 10 Bitcoin. Can you give me a loan? They're laughing at you. I guarantee you that. But guess what? I would have been one of their best clients. I would have made them so much money that their head would have spun. I mean, they would have done the projectile vomiting head spin like thing, because I would have brought in so much money for them and their company. Now they're probably kicking themselves in the butt, because that was when Bitcoin was at $8,000. And I told them what it was for too. Let me go back to the top so I don't miss. Oh, there's a lot of people. Someone in the crypto live. Yeah, what's up, grassroots? Hey, that Bitcoin grassroots, right on. That's cool. Hey guys. 2 a.m. Excited to learn. Oh, 2 a.m. Well, I'll try to keep it down so no. Are we gonna find some alt season? Yes, we are. So this is going to be one of the most spectacular altcoin seasons, and unfortunately it happened faster than I thought it was going to. I didn't get as much XRP or Cardano as I wanted. Normally I try to get a couple $1,000s worth of Cardano and XRP before altcoin season happens, and now we're just kind of late on that, but I'm going to wait for a reset. Things are kind of resetting today, which is good for people like us, crypto lovers, because a lot of people trade crypto just for the monetary, just to make a profit. But honestly, guys, I don't know if I'm addicted to it or what, but I love trading crypto. I love Bitcoin. When the money goes from either US dollars to Bitcoin, or from Bitcoin to US dollars, or US dollars to an altcoin, or an altcoin to whatever I do, it is satisfactory. It's like it's so fulfilling to be able to do that. And it's simple too, because it kind of builds up suspense. Like, is it going to go through? Like kind of leaves you in that suspense. And then when it does, it's like that payoff. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like a drug in that way. Like it has the build up, it has the suspense, and then it has the payoff at the end. So, and it's not harmful to you either. So it's not like gambling, really. mentally or anything. So good point there. It is a little bit quiet today. I bought into this thing called Pup Doge. I know you guys know about it on YouTube, but I don't think the TikTok community knows it. I bought into this coin called Pup Doge. Here, I'll show you. Let's look at Pup Doge. I've actually lost about a third of my money so far on this Pup Doge. Let's go in here. It's on CoinGecko. I bought in when it was a 1 right here, where that 0 is, and a 5. So I bought 25 bucks worth, I think, at a 1 and a 5. And then when it went down to just a 1 and a 0, I bought $30 more worth because it had went down a lot. And then now it's down to, that's, what is it? 9 zeros now? Is that 9? Let's see, 4. Okay, that's only 4 and then 4. So that's 8 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. So it's 8 zeros. Basically, it's less than a Satoshi. So it was 1.5 Satoshis when I bought it, and now it's down to that. But look at this, though. This is the thing I was telling you all about, and I really think that this is important. Look at this. This is the all-time chart for Pup Doge. Now, do you see anything missing there from the all-time chart? You see like a slight acceleration and then a plateau, right? Well, that's because it hasn't had its spike yet. If you look at almost any other startup coin or any coin in existence, it has a spike. Well, guess what, guys? We haven't spiked yet. Not at all. We've only dumped. So unless this is a complete scam, which I honestly do not think it is 100% a scam, I think they're taking a long time to get the projects out, and therefore the people are getting restless. I've seen it in the community. Everybody's calling for a scam, blah, blah, blah. They say the developers are selling. I went in and looked to see, hey, is this true? Are the developer wallets selling? No, they are not. I looked, and the price would go down a lot further than that if that was the case. It would go to 0, basically. So it only went down maybe 2/3. So that's a lot. It went down about 60%, 65%, but that's not a scam coin. A scam coin goes to 0. I've seen it happen before. So, but we haven't spiked. Now the opportunity, I have 60 bucks around in there, right? Which is down to like 30 now, 30, 25 now, yeah. So I lost over half my money, but imagine if it 1000x. Imagine if it goes to 100 Satoshis or 1,000 Satoshis. Then that's going to turn, if I 100x 60 bucks, that is, times 10 is 600, that's 6 grand. If I 1000x 60 bucks, that's 60,000 bucks. So that would be cool. No ways. So you're not the only one who has talked about starting my own coin. That is something that I've been thinking about, but I don't have the technical knowledge to do that. Honestly, I could learn. I'm a really, really, really fast learner, and I probably could pick it up like that. I would just need a good teacher, and that's the problem. Not having a teacher, or I'm not normally the leader. I'm normally like a co-leader. I guess I'm not codependent, but when I work, I like to have somebody there as a partner. We can bounce ideas. Like neither of us the boss, but both of us like. Does that make sense? You know what I mean? Like having someone as your equal in ICO. That's my cost. How do I tag? Okay, I don't know how to do that, but I'll learn. It is all about the community. It's all about you guys, all of you. I wasn't even streaming a year ago, and actually I had all my teeth back then. We're getting to the dentist here pretty soon, but they don't want to give me dentures until all of my other teeth are fixed. So, or I could go to a place that I just pay cash for and then get my teeth fixed. So I'm thinking about either one of those. So I don't know yet. Yeah, altcoins. So I always say 50% Bitcoin, 25% the top five coins. Like you gotta have your Ethereum, you gotta have your BNB, you gotta have your Cardano, and then maybe I wouldn't even say 52. I honestly would say like 70 Bitcoin, 20 top five altcoins, 10 meme coin, altcoin, guest coin, whatever you want, you know, that your little money that you have to kind of just spend and maybe make a lot of money. Like OXT, I did, but then I did some ICOs. I made a lot of money off of those. Not my own ICO, but I found a lot of good projects, up and coming ones that nobody was talking about. I was trying to get airdrops. That was the original reason that I started looking into these things. I was trying to get any free coin that I could, you know, and then like I realized what it was about. So honestly, crypto to me was I was just trying to get some quick money because it was the pandemic. I was broke. I didn't know what I was gonna do, and so I just got online. I was like, how can I earn money online? I want to earn some money, and then it told me to take a survey for this thing called Bitcoin. And I had just heard an ad about Bitcoin, and I was like, wait a minute, okay, this is too cool. This is probably fake though. You can't get free Bitcoin. And then sure enough, I started taking surveys on Express Crypto, or it was another site before Express Crypto, and then I started making money, and then I started investing in Bitcoin, and I found Coinbase, and they gave me like 30 free dollars to watch Coinbase earn. Oh, and that was another thing I was going to tell you guys. Coinbase earn right now, they just today, I was looking at my Coinbase account, and they have a thing called Coinbase earn, and the rewards for Fetch.ai just started today. So if you've already got your Coinbase account and earned all the money for the Stellar Lumens, the Compound, the Graph, and I believe Clover, they just added Fetch.ai, $3 worth. I think it's 1.9 Fetch.ai. I actually just did a video about that on my YouTube a couple days ago, and now they're giving it on Coinbase Earn for free. So you can go and get like about 6 of those, which is $3. They give you $3 worth, $1 per question. And in the link in every single one of my videos on YouTube, I leave Coinbase link and a bunch of other links for stuff that you can use. Bitcoin is above 46,000 again now. Let's see. Yeah, 46,239. So hopefully we can get to the top of that wedge again and keep going. How are my peeps over here on YouTube? I can't forget about you guys. So here, I'm going to show my TikTok homies to my YouTube homies real quick. This is all my YouTube homies over here. We're streaming over here at the same time. Goodbye and good Bitcoin, same exact thing for here. And yes, I will tag you guys if I can on the videos next time I do it. I'm doing a little contest over here. What if you guys want to answer in the questions here, you can. But I'm only giving away money on YouTube, so if you want to win this prize, you have to come over here on YouTube and answer over here. I don't know. Well, maybe I could do it over there too. I think someone might have already got the answer though, so let's check that first before I say anything. It just, what is the difference between POS, proof of stake, and POW, proof of work? Now, this is a question I asked, and I said if we got to 25, right here, 25 concurrent viewers, I would give away $6 in Dogecoin to the winner. If we didn't reach 25, I would just give away $3 in Dogecoin to the winner. Well, if every one over 4 that we get, or not over 4, over 25, which would be $6, anything under 25 is $3, but $1 per viewer after 25. So 26 viewers would get them $7 in Dogecoin. 27 viewers would get them $8, and 27 would get them, or 28 would get them 9, and 29 would get them 10. So that's what's going on. And so let's see. Proof of work requires huge amounts of energy, with miners needing to sell their coins to ultimately foot the bill. Proof of stake gives mining power based on the percentage of coins held by a miner. Good answer. Bitcoin first launched, the reward was 50 Bitcoins. Now, 6.25. Dude, you were so close. You were so close, man. You got the last part right. No way! My homie Vanish Joy finally came to a live stream. What up, Vanish? I almost thought you didn't exist in real life. No, I knew you did because I see you everywhere. You're the homie. This is one of my best homies. He supports the channel like no one else. He is the homie. Oh yeah, look at that. I am a child of God. Yes, I am. For sure. Alright, let's flip this back over to my ugly mug. If you want to answer, come over here to YouTube and let me know. You got everything except the last part right. So yeah, I can't count that. You could try again. Shiba Inu. Now I really feel bad for not buying Shiba Inu, but guess what? It's not on Coinbase Pro right now. I went over there to look. So what you can do is you can deposit or withdraw Shiba Inu over there, but you can't purchase it and you can't sell it. I don't know what the holdup is. They were supposed to have support, which means that they sell the coin and they buy the coin, but that something happened and interrupted that. And so that's probably why the price of Shiba Inu is down as much as it is. I would wait for a dip, and I think I'm going to buy Shiba Inu myself. Not financial advice, right? Common sense for entertainment purposes only. If you didn't know TikTok, that's what we call it. Common sense. Still learning. We learn something new every single day, or maybe not every day, but we learn all the time. And it will till you die, for sure. Working on a coin at the moment. Okay, that is some hard stuff. You need some good technical people and a lot of money, or a lot of investors, to get you started on that. We just had a halving. It was 6.25. So, hold on. I could be wrong about this. 50 in 2009, 25 in 2013, 12.5 in 2017, and 6. You're right. Why did I think it was down to 3.75? Okay, you were right. I'm getting ahead of myself here, but yeah, I think you are right. It is 6.25. Why was I thinking 3.75? I'm gonna check that just to be sure, but I really thought that it was 3.75. That might just be what my brain was thinking about for next time. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna put reward for mining Bitcoin. Well, yeah, that would make sense. 50 in 2009, 25 in 2013, 12.5 in 2017, and then 6.25 in 2021. Yeah, it has to be that. But why did I think 3.75? I get ahead of that proves that I get ahead of myself sometimes. Yeah, so it is capped at 6.25. You were 100% right. That is my fault. I'm sorry. Cool. So you are the winner. But how much Dogecoin does he get? Will he get $3 in Dogecoin? Or, look what we have here. Flip the camera. Will this number get to 25? Now, if this number gets to 25, we double the amount that I give the winner. So, 26 playbacks. Now, if we went on playbacks, he would have already been up to $7. How is everybody on TikTok tonight? How's everybody on YouTube? I can't believe I have two awesome communities here. Both hanging out, both just chilling.
Working on one at the moment. What everyone opinion of alts going it alone? No institutions have patience for pennies. Yeah. So a lot of people don't have patience for pennies, but you also have to be lenient with certain projects too, like Cardano introducing smart contracts to it, right? Now, we've been waiting for this to happen for a long, long, long time. And now we finally get it to happen, right? And so a lot of people could have gave up hope on Cardano at the last minute, and then boom, look at it skyrocket. It's over $2 again. Like, whoa, what's going on with Cardano? And then look at, XRP going all the way to the moon, right? And so we just have this narrative of a bunch of coins mooning. And so you can basically pick any altcoin that hasn't mooned or one, that you think is going to moon again, and you're going to make money off of it if you do it correctly. That's just the way it works. I've seen THS going, THC, I don't know about that one, THS, the hash speed network I saw. They don't have time for crypto. They actually promote my content on Yahoo. I've noticed. Just gruntled on Yahoo Finance. That's funny. Bye for now. Oh, okay. Thanks for stopping by, bro. Everybody who's here, thank you. You guys are amazing. I can't thank you enough for everything that you do for the community. If you haven't, smash the like button on TikTok. I don't know how that works. I think you just hit it twice. Smash the like button on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, we will have awesome videos for you guys. We are going to give away the $30 to the winners of the contest that we had for the banner making competition for our 500 subscriber $30 celebration that we have for the channel. So big things are happening over here. We're not blowing up too fast, but we're steady. We're going for 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. We're going for 10,000 subscribers or followers on TikTok, and I think we're gonna do well. So Cardano is boss. Trading in a range is too boring for the big, yeah. So they aren't gonna wanna do stuff like this. You're right. But as long as we can get enough support from the community on certain coins, then they're going to do well. And Bitcoin has support from not only the community, but the Bitcoin has institutional support. It has country support. Like, we're having countries adopt. And there's a lot of stuff. I actually wanted to go in and look at this on Decrypt. So let's flip the camera here. Dogecoin jumps by 12% as Mark Cuban and Elon Musk call it the strongest cryptocurrency. Okay, well, let's see. Dogecoin surges come as Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban announces special pricing for Dogecoin payment in his stores, and later calling it the strongest currency. Okay. Musk tweets in support of Cuban, and Cuban fights Bitcoin maxis over Dogecoin. Another boost for Dogecoin has been the sponsorship deal of a Premier League soccer team to wear Dogecoin sponsorship on its shirt sleeves. So that's pretty cool. I was actually thinking about putting the Bitcoin Renegade logo on the side of my car and see if I couldn't get more YouTube subscribers by driving down the road, because I deliver for a living, and so I thought if I could possibly deliver and put Bitcoin Renegade on there, that I get more TikTok and more YouTube followers that way. I don't know, if you guys make signs, help me make a magnetic sign. That would be awesome. It jumped 12.5% to 33 cents, and we're actually sitting at 32 cents right now. So I almost sold my Dogecoin because it went down to like 16 cents, and my awesome community, I put them in charge of my Dogecoin. I said, I'm not in charge of my Dogecoin no more. I said, I don't know what I'm doing. with this. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't know what I was doing, but I said, I'm going to put you guys in charge. And if you guys want to be in charge of my Dogecoin, this is how you can do it. And so they're like, well, don't sell. If it goes down to about 10 cents, then go ahead and sell. And I was like, okay, that's what I'll do for sure. And so it didn't go down to 10 cents. So guess what? I did not sell. What up? There you go. Happy birthday, yo. The weekend surge comes as the investor and Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban praised the cryptocurrency. He did. So with two billionaires involved in Dogecoin, it's going to $1. We're going to see $1 Dogecoin, and then we're going to see it pretty soon. I really think that we will. Hey, thanks for joining, guys. I'm glad you could come. Anybody wants to come hang out there, more than welcome. We're just here talking about crypto. We're having fun. There was a banner making competition. We're giving away 30 bucks. If we get 25 live viewers on YouTube, then we are going to give away $6. Now, I have a contest for TikTok as well. If we can get 30 live viewers on this stream right here on TikTok, I will give away $5 in Dogecoin to one person who comments below. Now, it needs to be 30 viewers at one time, and you have to be commented below to be entered to win. I will give you $5 in Dogecoin. Go. So I will continue with the stream. I will look. If I ever see 30 people on there, I'm going to look for a comment, and whoever does gets the $5 in Dogecoin. You'll just have to send me your Dogecoin address, and then I will send you Dogecoin. Everybody knows on YouTube that I do that all the time. So I like to give away cryptocurrency. It's not a lot of money, but who wouldn't chat in somebody's stream for $5 in free Dogecoin? You never know. So, yeah, Dogecoin is probably going to continue to go up as well, especially with all of the news and all of the support by billionaires that it has, for real. So me giving you $5 in Dogecoin for the best comment, if we get 30 viewers, is going to, probably double, triple, maybe even quadruple over time. So these are the things you got to think about. Yeah, it might only be $5 in Dogecoin right now, but in a couple days, it could be $10. If it goes to $1, that's $15. Right? So, yeah. So Cuban announced Friday that Mavericks merchandise bought using Dogecoin would enjoy special pricing. Okay, so he's basically giving a discount for Dogecoin users, which is pushing the crypto, right? So, not bad, not bad. Wow, Dogecoin's up 71% this month. And in 7 days, we're up 30%. Right? 24 hours, we're actually down. So if you're thinking Dogecoin's going to $1, not financial advice, but if it blasts off from here, you never know. So I personally am not buying in Dogecoin at this price as a dip. I am dollar cost averaging into Dogecoin, which means I probably bought right here at about 25 cents. I probably bought right here at about, a week after that, every week. So that's how dollar cost averaging works. You just put a little bit of money into the market every week, and then over time, that's how I got 0.24 Bitcoin. If you don't know, on TikTok, I had 0.37 Bitcoin at one time, and I have 0.24 Bitcoin right now. And I didn't get that overnight. I put $500 here, $300 here, $200 here, and a lot of it was when Bitcoin was actually at $8,000 still in about May to August of 2020. That's when I really accumulated a lot of my Bitcoin, and at a low level of $8,000. My neighbor, when Bitcoin was still at $8,000, he wanted to put in $4,000 worth of Bitcoin. And I said, do it. I said, Bitcoin's only at 8,000, so you'll have about half a Bitcoin if you buy in right now. And he's like, okay, let me talk to my sister and my mom and see if, they know a lot about finances. And I said, bro, this isn't like normal finances. This is Bitcoin.
This is different. He didn't understand it. He went and talked to his mom and his sister, and they didn't agree with my judgment on Bitcoin. They said that it already had reached its peak, that it isn't going to go back to 20,000 ever, that it peaked in 2017, that there's no more use for it. And I said, okay, what else could I say? No, you invest your 4,000 right now in Bitcoin. You must do this. Now he wishes that I would have made him do it, because that $4,000 that he would have put in at half a Bitcoin, right? Let's do the math. Okay, let's say I think it was at 9,000, not 8,000. So it's a little less than 0.5. So let's say he got 0.45 Bitcoin. Okay, actually, let's do it for argument's sake. Let's just make it easy and make it an $8,000 Bitcoin. He was going to put 4,000 in, because I think he might have been able to put 4,500 at 9,000. So let's just say he has half a Bitcoin, right, at $9,000. Let's just say that, 4,500, $9,000. That'll make it more easy to deal with. So he has half a Bitcoin at $9,000, right? So it goes up to $65,000. Let's go over to Bitcoin. I'll flip this around so you can kind of follow along with me. So what we will do is zoom way out. Not zoom in. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Okay. So that was somewhere right around here, right? Okay, we don't want none of this. So let's just get rid of all this real quick, just to show what we were at right here. Okay, open 9,000. So right here, right around here, right? 9,000 bucks. This is where, right here, 9,000, right? Oh, come on, go back. I almost had it. Okay, $9,008, right? Well, he bought half, so he has half a Bitcoin at 9,000. Well, it goes all the way up to, let's say, 65,000. Well, how much is that compared to 9,000? Well, 9 times 5 is 45, right? So 9 times 6, 53. So 9 times 7, wait, hold on, 9 times, no, that's 54. And then 63, so 63,000. So it's basically 7x'd his money. Sorry, guys. So he would have 7x'd his money. If he would have put half of his money in at this $9,000 level, when I told him here, he would have bought half a Bitcoin right here at $9,008. And then at the top, or even say he sold, at 63,000, he would have made times 7. So what's 4,500 times 7? Well, 4,000 times 7, that, would be 28,000. And then 500 times 7 is 3,500. So 28,000 and then 3,500. We're looking at $31,500. So yeah, 31,500. That's half of 63. Duh. That's what I should have done. But he would have made $31,000. So if you minus the 4,500 he would have invested, he would have made $27,000. Oh my God, that's a lot of money, dude. And all he would have had to do is put $4,500 in the market when I told him to last year. So that's why, so I'm not trying to brag. That's why I'm doing these videos for you guys, right? And I'm not making fun of him at all. Whenever you invest in the market, that's a very, very complicated and hard decision to make. Especially when you don't have a lot of money, when like $4,000 is your life savings, everything that you have saved your whole entire life, are you willing to bet that on a Bitcoin that some dude told you about? Well, if you don't do your research, no, don't do that. But if you do your research and find out what Bitcoin is, that's why when Bitcoin first came out, I didn't know about it and I didn't want to get into it because I didn't understand it. I didn't know what it was. So now that I know what Bitcoin is, I know what it can be, and I know how to make money with it when it goes up and when it goes down. So if you want to follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the like, whatever, I can show you how to do these things, not as financial advice, not as your financial advisor, but as a Bitcoin renegade, right? We are Bitcoin renegades. We do not advise financially. We do not get sued by people because we are not their financial advisors. But we do give good information and good speculation. That's what we do here. And it's been successful this far. We are doing pretty good on YouTube. I know some people blow up right away, but it's only been like a month and a half. And I already have 550 subscribers. We got 50 subscribers in the last 2 days. And on TikTok, literally we'll just say 1 week ago on TikTok, I had 44 followers 1 week ago. Okay, most of my videos that I did that even got 900 views, I only had 44 followers on TikTok. And then I figured out the algorithm on TikTok. And so now that I know the algorithm on TikTok, and I might actually tell you that later if you want to watch my videos, I do know how, I'm not sure if it works once you get higher up there, but I can show you how to get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok. That's what I did. I got 1,000 followers within 3 days. And I know the secret now, and I can tell you guys, but not unless you follow me on the next video. No. All you have to do is follow a bunch of people. It's not a big secret. Like, something with the algorithm on TikTok, if you just follow people and follow back, yeah, it might not seem like a big cheat, and it's not really, but it puts your information out there. And I wish YouTube was the same way, because I'd just go subscribe to everybody's channel, right? And I tried it on TikTok. It doesn't work on TikTok at all. Or not TikTok, I tried it on Twitter. It doesn't work on Twitter at all. I just basically followed like 300 people, and I got one person to follow me back. I was like, oh, that was a failure. But on TikTok, it works like a charm. Try it. If you're under 1,000 subscribers or followers on TikTok, just press the follow button. Keep doing it. Do it until it says you're following too fast, and then keep doing it. Keep doing it. You'll get 1,000 followers in no time. So, old number. Okay. So, okay, let me go back to look at the live stream, because if we have 25 people, oh, I thought we might have 25 lists. Man, Banish, how are you today, man? I'm good to see you. This is my homie over here, Banish. He basically is the moderator, whatever. He's like the inner council and the leader of the Bitcoin Renegade army. Besides me, he always, every single video, he shares it on Twitter. He comments in every video, likes every video. This guy is the best YouTube, the kind of YouTube friend that you could ever want. I wish he didn't live in India, then we could hang out. He seems like the homie. So I'm on here to make friends, to make connections with people, to tell them about Bitcoin, to inspire people, and to learn from people as well. So that's what we do here all the time. Let's see, what other kind of news do we have today, guys? I think that's basically all we have. I did want to go into XRP a little bit more, but I might save that for a different video. $1.19 XRP, what are you doing? Oh man, it just keeps going up and up, and then we did have a little bit of a red candle here from $1.32 all the way down to $1.13, where we're sitting at. No, we went up from that, so we're sitting at $1.19 now. The good thing on a daily, we are so far above the moving averages on XRP right now that it is gonna hold. I really think that XRP, as long as we don't get any news from the SEC saying that, oh, my phone might die soon. If we get any news from the SEC saying that, it is a security, then, we're going to have some issues. But other than that, we're good with XRP. We have a bright future, and I think I'm going to wait for a dip, and I'm going to just grab some more for my bags. we do have a lot of volume that's came into XRP lately. That's why we have jumped so high significantly in price. Now, we had a little retracement even on the volume, and we had a giant red candle in the volume as well. So that reset the RSI, and guess what? We're still over 70 on XRP, so don't buy XRP right now. Now, financial advice, common sense, right? We are so far above the RSI level. We were up to 83 at one point, and now we're down to 72. We're cooling off a little bit, but as long as that level stays up at that high, we're oversold, and that's what that means. It basically tells you right now that there's more selling pressure than buying pressure right now. It's reaching a ceiling when people are just too afraid to buy it for the price right now, so it affects, the RSI the way it does. That's kind of what they base that on. If you look in the past, you never stay above that level for very long. So that's just what ends up happening. We get oversold, and then it can go down sometimes to the moving averages. But we're so far above that right now that if we drop to a moving average in 200-day at 82 cents, that's really going to hurt XRP in the long run, and in the short term, even people are going to lose about a third to a fourth of their money, or half of their money, like, right away. So be careful when dealing with XRP right now. It seems a little bit overheated, in my opinion. I am an XRP holder and fan. I want it to go up. Don't say that I am saying it's going to go down. I want it to go down. Absolutely not. I am saying that it could possibly go down a little bit because it's oversold right now. That doesn't mean that I'm against XRP. I love XRP, all right? Just to let you know, I am loving XRP, but I think it needs to cool off for a second before we can go higher. Right, that's just common sense. When the RSI is really high, when we had, some sell-off and some, buying pressure, now it just seems, see, we went down. So we need to relieve some of this pressure, like an earthquake, like a tectonic plate. You have two plates on each other, and they're both pressing on each other, creating pressure. And that's exactly what's happening with the RSI and with the top price of XRP right now. It's basically just creating too much pressure. The pressure needs to relieve. So basically we have an earthquake, which is the price dropping. Okay? So that's what's happening. I really like the earthquake reference with the charts in Bitcoin, because if you look at the RSI, it looks like a seismometer or a seismograph, right? So that analogy kind of fits perfectly. But okay, guys, I think I've talked about everything that we're going to talk about. Here, guys, take a look at the XRP chart real quick, just to show you what it's doing right now. We are sitting at $1.18. We just went down another cent right now. Look at that. So we had a big pump, and then we had a dump here, but it had to, because look at the RSI, guys. That is so high right now. We're sitting at 72.5, and anything over 70 is oversold. So you can see we are above here. Look, we're just kissing the top of it right now and going sideways a little bit, right? So until we relieve some of that pressure and it goes down, I think XRP is going to have a little bit of hard time moving up, just for right now though. So all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang! Wait, how do I turn off the live stream now? This is my first live stream, guys, on TikTok. 3 viewers and now. Sorry. Wait, not sorry. We'll be back, guys. I'm gonna keep doing TikTok live streams. I love it over here. You guys are the best community, along with my YouTube people. I can't believe all the support that we're getting. So we will be back Friday night. Maybe Wednesday too. So that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang! So they got the double, and you get the three-peat. The reason I was ending with them sooner is because I want to get over here and see if we have 25 people. Oh, we didn't get 25 people. That's okay, though. I'm still going to give you $3 worth of Dogecoin for the awesome answer to the comments. I will check you out on Twitter. If you can, please send me a PM in Twitter with your Dogecoin address. And if you can't do it on Twitter, then go ahead and do it on Telegram. So that's where I will pay you. Let's do that real quick. Ooh, I had 834 viewers. 834 viewers on TikTok. Can you guys believe that? What? Oh my gosh, dude, that is crazy. No, dude, uh, you have to, send me your Dogecoin address on Twitter or, Telegram. Not your name. You have to go on Twitter to Bitcoin Renegade and then just press the little envelope button. It should be there for everybody after you follow me. And then DM me with your Dogecoin address. And if you absolutely can't find the envelope button, go over to Telegram. And the Telegram group, you can post your address in there. And yeah, that's how you can do it. And we're going to do that. Jacob Anthony, new subscriber. Thank you, bro. I can't believe how much interest in TikTok, guys. So YouTube, you can't do better than TikTok, or you can't do worse than TikTok. Come on. Alright guys, if you haven't already, smash the like button, subscribe if you're not, and comment. Because if you do maybe a comment that I really, really like, I might even give some more money away. But you never know, only if you're active and going. Actually, we're not going to end the live stream. We're going to go. I need to get Express Crypto people over here. I was hoping one of the homies from Express Crypto would show up over here and then announce it to the other people. That's how it sometimes works, but that didn't happen yet, because I don't think any of the Express Crypto people came over here yet. That's the problem. So we need them to come over. I got $4.30 in here. Where's the money at? Oh, somehow I got some EX Silver. Okay. Oh, there it is. It finally confirmed my survey. That was a survey I did a long time ago. Here, let me check Twitter for this guy's private message first, because I want to reward. But we're not at the end of the live stream yet, so we're gonna wait probably on that. But he did not send me a message. Okay, let me message him first. Since it says he just followed me, I will look. Yep, right here. I found you, bud. Oh, he did text it on Telegram. Okay. Cool. I'm glad that people can follow directions. That's cool, man. I like subscribers that can follow directions. That makes me very happy. Thank you, bro. You make my life easier when you follow directions. Oh, look at all the people talking over here on Telegram. I hate it that I miss you guys over here. You guys are awesome. I love this community, man. You guys are the best. Asking to give them money if when because they vote for me. What? I would give you, you wouldn't have to pay me, man. I never make my friends pay me. I give my friends money. Now, if I need money, my friends would hook me up. I know you guys would if I was hurting. Yeah. I like that one, too. I really like BTC Rocket. But I also like Yellow Wolf, too. So those are the top two right now, BTC Rocket and Yellow Wolf. So that's you, Vanish, and Master Assassin. What do you think about Bitcoin at the current state? I can answer that if you want later on. But 40 votes, Master Assassin, that's insane. Yeah, Master Assassin got 40 votes. I really like Jay Gowers too, man. Gosh, I like all of your guys. I don't know. I am sorry. I should have not used Yellow Wolf. I should have had you guys name your own, because I think the names have a lot to do with who's gonna win. Wolf is definitely always going to win because the name Wolf is always better. But BTC Rocket, of course, because everybody wants BTC to rocket. Wait, guys, we're losing a lot of viewers right now. We had a bunch of viewers over here that are all gone. I was just trying to get my TikTok audience down. So we need to get some viewers back over here. Oh, there's Sarth. Hey, bud. I wonder if he... Sarth. Dude. Okay, hold on. I can go in here and then go to that, go to that. Hi. There we go. Cool. BTC Rocket. I like that one too. I like Blessing Crypto. I like them all, man. I could probably name them all. I think. Let's see. Bulls versus Bears, Yellow Rocket, BTC Rocket, Blessing BTC, Pokemon. Let's see. Multi Crypto. Did I already say Yellow Wolf? I probably did. YouTube Renegade. YouTube Renegade. Yeah, I got 7 of them down. I want to know what they all are now. Wow, Sarth Meta's pretty strong and pretty smart. Okay. So by the end of the live stream, if we hit 25 concurrent viewers, then we will double the amount we give to him. So, live stream, everybody. Oh, Cryptos R Us just started. So that's why I think a couple of our viewers probably left to go over there. Yep, that's probably why people left, guys. I knew it. A few of our viewers really love Cryptos R Us, and I think his live stream just started. So it might have started an hour ago, though. I think, yeah, 6:30. I think his is 8:30, which would be 6:30 here. So yeah. Analytics, stream health 30. What does that mean? Stream is healthy. Okay, analytics, stream settings. Oh, okay. Whoops. Alright. I was trying to get some people over here. Now let's go into Express Crypto. I never did that. I was trying to live stream contest right now. Okay, and now I gotta get the link for the live stream. Oh, actually, I think it's gonna be right here. Yep. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Oh! Whoops, I forgot to put ad. I hate it when I do that. Live stream as we speak. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, and I did it right during the rain, too. Already live. Yeah, come on, everybody from Express Crypto, come on over. We want to get at least 25 consecutive views so I can give Stark Meta $6 in. Actually, if we can get it to 20 viewers, I will give another $3 away to the next person to let me think. Yeah, if we get this up to 25, I will give another $3 to Start Meta, and if we get this number up to 20, then I will give $3 to one of you guys in the chat that is the most active and always active in the community. So let's see. We'll get that going. I'm going to continue to talk to people. Thank you very much. If you guys didn't know, I went live on TikTok earlier today, and it was very, very successful, guys. We had a lot of fun. We got over 900 viewers, 890 viewers on TikTok. So we're blowing up on TikTok over there. I think we're gonna have like 10,000 subscribers or followers on TikTok in no time. So, and there's a lot of news about Bitcoin. Look at XRP right now. It is oversold, but it just went back up. And instead of it being 72 on the RSI, it's up to 73 now. This is cool. But yeah, guys, so I want to talk with you guys in here. Cherry! My favorite people are here. Askio, Owen, Cherry, all the Express Crypto peeps, man. These are the homies that I love to always join my streams. So if you don't know, there was a question up here that I asked, and Sark Meta got it right. I wish I would have waited for more people to get here. He basically answered it within the first minute of it being published. If you can tell, he did it right away. So, yeah, that's something you got to be aware of. If we get this to 20 consecutive views, then we will give another $3 away. Athanos, nobody! Man, I still can't believe that the moderator from Express Crypto comes over here and, spends time on my stream. That's kind of cool to me. But I hope your head's doing better, bro. I hope you're feeling better today. You should. In the way that migraines work, at least mostly better. You might still have kind of like, it's like a migraine hangover, I called it, is what you had yesterday. I call it a migraine hangover. And normally it lasts one day, but sometimes it can last up to 2 to 3 days. Unless you get another migraine after that, that would really suck. But what we're doing, let's look at the Bitcoin price. Are you guys altcoin fans, Bitcoin fans? What do you guys want to talk about? I appreciate some good, thoughtful questions that'll help me, move forward with this stream a little bit. We've already been on here for an hour and a half. Sometimes I forget to mark it over there to Express Crypto. I don't know why. Well, I was actually hoping one of the homies like Sahan Bishwantha or Telianch and would have gone over there, but nobody was here because they didn't know, so that's why you saw me posting over there. But I want to give you guys something cool. Since you weren't here earlier, I'm going to talk about Dogecoin again, just a little bit. So Dogecoin is just blasting off right now, and the reason is because of two billionaires. Look at these two faces. You know these guys' faces, right? Yeah, good old Shark Tank guy, and good old Baldy with his hair implants, Elon. Just kidding. But in brief, Dogecoin's surge has come as Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban announced special pricing for Dogecoin payments. And that's just in the stores. I guess he called it the strongest and the best currency ever invented or something. So, and then the sponsorship deal, I thought this was pretty cool with the Premier League. They're all going to wear Dogecoin on their shirt sleeves. So that's pretty cool. They have a sponsorship over there. That's what we're trying to get for the Bitcoin Renegade channel. I'm trying to get Express Crypto to, sponsor the Bitcoin Renegade YouTube channel. And then I would like leave the Express Crypto in the chat, the description, like I always do. But I'll also put them like maybe as a banner somewhere like on the screen when I do my videos. You know what I mean? Just put like Express Crypto down here, and then have my YouTube or my social media down here too, like George from Cryptos R Us does. So I'll put all my sponsors down here. They'll be here on all the videos. I tried to reach out to the marketing team on Express Crypto, and I got kind of confused about that. So maybe I'll reach out to them again. I don't know if they even got my text or not, or my email, but yeah, I just got my 6 EXS silver for doing a survey over on Express Crypto that I did like a couple weeks ago. I thought it was toast, and then boom, it showed up in my wallet. I was like, cool, right on. There's like 80 cents or something. I'm not sure how much it is. I think it's like 80 cents. Well, it's 22 cents per EXS, so that would be $1.32, right? 6 times 22. 6 times 20 is $1.20. 6 times 2 is 12, so $1.32. But okay, Bitcoin went all the way down to 45,000, and it went to 45,200 actually. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Okay. Now that we're zoomed in, oh, it does look a little more sideways. Maybe I zoom out too much sometimes and go like this. Yeah, that's the problem. Okay. So if I zoom in a little better, it shows more accurately. So we did actually break out of this ascending triangle or ascending wedge before right here. And as you see, we broke under it right here. So, but it didn't really confirm because look, now it's just kind of going sideways. So I say we reset the ascending wedge and try again. Right? I mean, what else do you do with that? I say we just reset and try it again. And hopefully it looks a little better than that. But I think we're doing good because, look at this little wick we had that went right below the 200-day moving average. I actually just took that off of there, but we actually really need this on here for right now. So I'm going to definitely put this one back here. So now that I can show you on here, I told you a few times, if you want to get the 200-day moving average on the daily on Bitstamp, just go up here to the indicator right here, search in, put MA, and then go down to moving average right here, and then X, and then go to right here. You'll see this eyeball, but go to settings right here. Press that, and then this will come up, input style, you don't need anything there, length, this is the only thing you need. So this says 9, that's the 9-day moving average. Well, you want the 200-day, so just put 200. And either open, close, high, low, whatever you want the price at that time. We could go high, low, it doesn't matter. We'll just go close. And as you can see, okay, and then that's in the way, right? So let's just get rid of this top one. This is the one we're using. That's in the way. So to get that out of your way, just press this, and then press over here. And then look, now it's gone. So our 200 daily moving average right now is at $45,533. And we went to $45,260. So we went below that, but we just wicked below it. See, right here, we went below 45,260, and it's at 45,533. So we're still good though because we're above it. That was just a wick below. That's what we call support right there. Okay, so I see Bitcoin going towards the $50,000 range anytime soon. We are definitely heading that way. We have a lot of retracements before we go there, right? But that's just the volatility of Bitcoin in the market right now. And that's just the way it's going to be. Altcoins, though, we're going to have one heck of an altcoin season now and to the coming future. we're really gonna have a lot of stuff happening really soon. So just keep an eye on that. Ethereum is resetting. I think XRP is resetting. Bitcoin is resetting, and we are gonna blast off again very, very soon. So I'm getting a little bit tired, guys. We have 10 concurrent viewers right now. So let's go to the chat. Now it's time to talk. I could do that for sure. We're at 10. We just need 10 more to give a prize away. All right, back up here. I love it when a bunch of people start coming over here and talking. Doge to the moon, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. LTC fan, PSG fan. What is PSG? PSG. I don't know what PSG is. Let's think of that for a second. PSG. I don't know. I'd have to look that up. Uncle Pirates. Oh. Mamma mia. Hey, Pirate Wolves, what's up, bro? What coins are we supposed to be expecting positive moves? That's a good question. Everything is resetting right now. It's kind of a rough time to be buying coins right now, in my opinion. Everything is getting ready to blast off, but a lot of the coins have already blasted off. So the only thing that I'm telling you right now is be leery of what you're going to buy, unless you're dollar cost averaging. Do I see a coin right now that I can tell you, yes, 100% this coin is going to moon? Well, what I would do in this situation is I would go and look at coins and which ones have had a nice, good spike during this bull rally and which ones haven't. And then I would look at the average prices of those coins and look to which one is at a lower average price that hasn't spiked. So you're starting to use analytics to choose what ones you're going to do. I would look at news. I would look at the community. Can I tell you what coin that is right off the bat? Absolutely not. Because there isn't one right now at this point in time that is just going to explode that hasn't already. That's what I'm telling you. This is the hardest time to buy into crypto. Okay? That's what I should make a video about. And I would have to do the research before I could actually give you a video like that. Because I would have to do the same thing that I'm telling you to do. I would have to go in, yes, I do have a pretty good idea of the average prices of the coins already, like Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin, all the major movers, XRP, but all of them have spiked already, right? We've already had the big pumps on everything. So what we're doing is we're waiting for the dips. We dollar cost average when it dips a little bit. When I say dip, I mean when Bitcoin goes from 48,000 all the way back down to 45,200, I'm going to buy a little bit of Bitcoin. Am I going to buy $10,000 worth of Bitcoin at $46,000? Absolutely not. Unless that I'm investing 10,000 in crypto or let's say probably about 15,000 in crypto. I want to probably do about 10,000 in Bitcoin. Not at this level though. I would wait for a dip, and then maybe wait a week or so. See, hey, are we gonna hit 50,000? And if we do hit 50,000, you're gonna be good to go. I would wait once we break 48,000, which has been our resistance. I would have a purchase order in there. If that's what you're going to do, not financial advice, right? I'm saying if you are not going to purchase until you know Bitcoin is going to $50,000, then what you would want to do is put a buy order at $45,300 or right above maybe $45,500 or $49,000 and put a buy order in there. So then if it goes past your price, it's going to $50,000, right? So most likely that is going to be a good 550 subscribers. That is going to be a good move, though, going forward because, you just can't miss with stuff like that, that's why we're in Bitcoin. We learn all that we can about it. We do the best that we can with the information that we have, and we research. That's why we should be called Bitcoin researchers, not Bitcoin renegades. The Bitcoin researchers, right? That's what we do. We research and we make money. So that's what I would also call us, the Bitcoin money makers. Because we know how to double our money. Express Crypto has our back, so maybe we'll be called the Express money makers. You know? I like Express Crypto. I like going on there, chatting with the community. I love it when the community comes over here and supports us. 550 subscribers. That's just amazing, guys. It doesn't look like we're going to hit, even with Express Crypto, it doesn't look like we're going to hit our 20 or 25 goal. But this is just a regular stream, so that's okay. Friday, though, guys, I'm going to do a live stream Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 o'clock on Monday, at 6 o'clock on Wednesday, and at 8 o'clock on Friday night. And Friday, actually Wednesday, I will have the lamp, because I'm going to the store tomorrow to buy it. So I already asked for my refund on Amazon, and it was crazy because they pretended like they actually cared, and then just kind of no more customer service. That was it. So I don't know what happened with that, but I'm going to have a lamp tomorrow and then get a refund for the lamp that I have now. So we will have enough light. We have our stream working. It's free. I'm able to show the screen. And so everything is looking awesome for the channel. We have tons of subscribers. You guys are awesome viewers. I don't see how I could go wrong with awesome people like you. For Bitcoin, Walmart is looking to hire a cryptocurrency expert to develop a blockchain strategy. No way! Are you kidding me? Ooh, I gotta research that. Thank you. That is a good nugget of information I didn't know. Yes, I love it when people give me stuff like that. Because I'll probably spend the rest of the night researching that now, guys. Let's do it right here. I'm gonna do it anyway. I might as well do it right here. Let's look into that. Walmart cryptocurrency hire. Oh, right here. He's right. Look at this. Walmart wants to hire a crypto lead after Amazon posted its own ad. Remember when I did the video about Amazon? I was going to go into Amazon and ask them about it? Well, maybe I'll go into Walmart and ask them about it. No, that's corporate, though. That's all corporate stuff, I like to make jokes about that kind of stuff, though, right? They're smart. They're, pretty clever. And I like clever. Walmart is looking to hire someone to lead crypto and digital currencies just weeks after Amazon posted a similar job offering. Now, guys, if you didn't know, Walmart is the biggest store in the world when it comes to groceries. It is the only store that has a port in China. That's how big Walmart is. So Walmart wants to recruit a senior director to drive its cryptocurrency product and its investment strategy. The retail giant is looking for an expert in digital currencies and in blockchain with 10 years of product-related experience. In July, Amazon began seeking someone to head up its digital currency and blockchain initiatives. Well, Walmart is looking to hire the same thing, except it's a senior director. That's pretty cool, guys. A broad set of payment options. So they're thinking about taking payments in crypto? Guys, if this happens and Amazon gets into Bitcoin and all of the world starts to adopt Bitcoin and crypto, anything under $1 million is stupid to sell Bitcoin. I mean, what the heck? Now, if this is all going to happen soon, I'm kicking myself for selling half of my Bitcoin. Man, I'm not doing that again. Granted, it was at like $60,000, but you're so right. So I'm gonna look into all the experts and all of the cryptocurrency and all the big companies that are thinking about taking crypto. I think I want to do some research on that to let you guys know exactly what I think can happen. And maybe a collaboration between, Amazon, Walmart, and Tesla. They all are like headquartered out here in Washington, so they might all just be planning something huge, guys. So is it a big conspiracy to turn the whole world into crypto real quick, and all the people that hold crypto will become billionaires all of a sudden? Who knows? um, Parasites, German. Okay, I don't know. BGC going to 65 again. If we do that, guess what? We're gonna have one of the biggest cup and handle patterns in the world, baby. It's gonna look so fun. Oh man, Bitcoin is in for a wild ride coming up here pretty soon. You guys don't even know. If you're a hodler, you guys have already made a lot of money, I think, like on Express Crypto. Oh, you guys must have cleaned up on Express Crypto because I know the money I made you from doing surveys. I made like 10 grand is what it says on Express Crypto during surveys. So how much did you guys make? Well, some of the stuff that I did was actually on Dutchy Court. So they basically only made fees off of me. So they don't actually make a whole lot. Unless you do surveys, the site you do surveys on, they make half of what you make. So Dutchy Corp killed. Now, all the videos I did on Express Crypto, they made a lot of money off of my surveys because you get half. Basically, with survey providers, I'm pretty sure when I tried to set up surveys, they said I would have got half of the money. That the survey person that takes the survey gets half, and you get half. Now, they might give you a little more or less depending on the site. But I made a lot of money, so I think they did too, which is rightly so. I'm not mad at them for that. That's what they're there for. They aren't there to not make money. We're all making money together. That's the point, right? That's my point. That's why I did this stream. That's why I did this, channel, is so that I could share my love of crypto and making money with people. So 550 subs. I know I said it 3 times, but yeah! I'm really happy about that. Sorry about your ears, guys, but that makes me happy. When I see 1,000, you guys might see me do my first on-screen backflip. Honestly, I was so happy about 500. I almost couldn't do the live stream. I was that happy. I was so freaking happy about that. We need big companies, but it can also hurt as it will bring in laws and taxes. You're so right about that. I didn't even think about that. Keep an eye on those big companies that played right. So, I do agree and disagree with that on a couple different levels. So, it will bring in laws and taxes, and you're right, and I didn't think of that. That is a major point. The longer and the more companies and the big companies, especially in America, yeah, well, because we like to institute a lot of laws here in America. Now, if they end up doing that, you're right, that could really tackle the Bitcoin industry. But look, with the bill, the whatever $25 billion crypto tax bill that is going to the Senate right now, or the House, or whatever. I'm not sure where they're at right now, but you might know that. I'm not big into politics, but they're at some point of their negotiations in the House or whatever, or it's gone to the Senate. I think it's gone to the Senate. It didn't affect Bitcoin though. Didn't affect the market. Market's still up. So, but he makes a wonderful point on that because when he's talking about this is long term, right? It doesn't have an effect in the short term because the laws haven't been made yet. There's just talk of laws, right? So, we're in the safe zone right now. And this is where you're going to either be on the right side or the wrong side of history. Now, the wrong side of history is the people that are going to buy into crypto after it has been highly regulated and highly deflationary. So what that means is basically the government's going to have its hand in it. They're probably going to want to have their hand in the blockchain somehow and change the protocol of Bitcoin. That's not going to happen. They're going to try, though. Right? It's probably already been tried. It's decentralized, which means government, you can't do anything with it. You can't say, oh, these guys have to go in there and create 100 million more Bitcoin because we said so. They could say, no. What can the government do? It's not a person, an entity. You know, if it was like a country, they could say, well, we won't offer you support. We could sanction you. We could use our military. Well, there's no way to do it unless you shut down the internet, right? And I don't think America has the power to shut down the internet. Now, maybe like they could do what China did and like ban Facebook. Excuse me, guys, sorry. Oh, I have some kind of a cold or something. And it didn't go away like I thought it was going to. I missed church yesterday because of it, and I feel bad. I want to go to church, but that's all right. But anyway, like I was saying, it gives us time. And I think if played the right way, we can use this, like he's saying, we can use it for our benefit. And how? How do we do that? How do we use these big companies buying into these items and the government getting involved to our benefit? Get in early. Get in fast. Get out fast. Not financial advice. But these are the things that you got to think about. Now, this is going to be awesome at first, and you're going to see, this is why we might see this huge spike that I'm talking about. Remember, if you watch the channel, you probably know what I'm talking about. Like we just had at 48,000, that big spike up, and then the sharp drop, right? So imagine, Walmart and Amazon both come out on the same day. This is my dream scenario. All right, I wake up, I look at my phone, I have 30 notifications on my phone. The first one on there, Walmart now accepts Bitcoin as payment. What? So I scroll and I go, man, what is going on? So I'm like, I gotta find out more news right now, what is going on? I go down, Amazon is now accepting Bitcoin as payment for its online services. What? Oh my God, look at Bitcoin. Go to Bitcoin right now. My Bitcoin's worth $250,000. That's what would happen. And then I would go sell my Bitcoin right at that moment. And then about an hour later, Bitcoin will be at $10,000. That's what's going to happen. Because the regulation would kick in so fast. I don't know if it would really happen overnight. It might actually take a couple of weeks. But if they actually came out and said, we are taking payment for crypto at Walmart and we are taking payment for crypto at Amazon, we would have the government involved. You think they're involved now? And this is just because of Coinbase and some miners and stuff. So, and Tesla. I think Tesla was probably one of the biggest reasons that the government is getting involved. Because Elon Musk is the richest man, one of the richest men in the world, right? Number 2, number 1 on some days. I don't know, it depends on how good Tesla's doing, right? And if he's involved in it, obviously they're going to want to get some of that money. That's not stupid. That's the government being the government, right? And so every government is going to try to use crypto for their own benefit, for their own people. Now, if they go too far with it, they might experience a revolution they're not ready for. So the government needs to be careful, especially, I don't want to get into a lot of that because I don't want politics, but with everything that's been going on in the world, and especially America, and the way that, like, even right outside my window, there was protests, there was all sorts of stuff going on for a long time, and people are getting restless and looking for a reason to rebel. So I'm just telling the government, be careful with that. You know, you don't want to push your people to rebel. So, and taxes, too high of taxes will do it. Especially the community that's in crypto, guys. I mean, come on, are you going to stand for it? I'm not going to. I'll go lobby anywhere that I can, to get crypto not illegal, crypto not taxed. Whatever we have to do to keep our rights and to keep crypto decentralized and to keep the power out of the hands of the governments, I think we'll be okay. Oh, it is, and I can't. That's why I get it. Not why I got into it, but that's why I'm staying in it. Is for stuff like this. It's a beautiful thing, to be part of history, guys. You don't understand, like the guys that, it isn't as big of a thing, but the agricultural revolution. Imagine being part of that. Right now that seems kind of boring. Like, who wants to be a farmer, right? But back then, that was how people lived. That's how they did their living, made their living. Because it took a lot more of the world. Here's some good information my pastor gave me. He's like, it used to take about, I don't know the exact numbers, but let's just say it used to take 95% of the population to feed 100% of the population. Well, now it takes about 2% of the population to feed 100% of the population. So that's because of the agricultural, advancement that we had, right? And this is exactly what that is, but with finances. And to be able to to say that we are going to be a part of this and that our generation was the one, that changed everything is pretty awesome, guys. Not a lot of people know that they're in a life-changing historical moment when they're in it. Most people don't know until later when they're told in the history books, hey, this was and most of them are already passed away and it's hundreds of years later. So to be able to recognize that we are in this shift, this technology movement, this monetary power given back to the people movement, that's what I see it as. It's not just a currency. It is giving the power of money back to people. It is giving us a reason to come together over money. Instead of money being the root of all kinds of evil, it becomes a connector of a community from people that would never have any interaction with each other whatsoever on any kind of a level. And it brings them together as a community, right? So that's what I see Bitcoin, not just as a monetary shift, but as, a way to maybe connect more, because we become a technology-driven society where we spend more time on our phones than we spend with our loved ones. And so this bringing community back into the internet, which is what it was all about in the first place, why social media was made, not to spend all your day, all your life on there, but to give you another outlet and a way to communicate with people. And that's what crypto has reintroduced into the internet, I think, and brought back to social media, is community. And you get to choose which community you want to be a part of. You aren't forced into one community. You don't have to like Bitcoin. You can only like Dogecoin. You can only like Ethereum. Or you can like them all. That's the cool thing about, cryptocurrency, is you don't have to be like everybody else. You don't have to invest in what everybody else invests in. And you can still make money. There's so many cryptos that I've made money on. So many of them. I think maybe 100 cryptos I've made money off of. So it's just buying at the right time, selling at the right time, finding a community, seeing which one. Go buy $20 worth of a coin. Go hang out in their community for a little while. See if you like it. Pick a coin you like. And then go talk to some people. I see that. So, all right, I have ranted enough today. I think this was an awesome stream. Thank you guys for coming. We already did our TikTok. Every time we stream on YouTube, we're going to be also doing a TikTok stream. So, I'm going to send our friend that won the contest his $3 in Dogecoin. His name is Sarth Mehta. And I want to let you know before we go, he answered the question up here. What is the difference between POS, proof of stake, and POW, proof of work? what was the original mining rewards for Bitcoin and what are they now? I actually was ahead of myself and thought that it was 3.75, but, or 3. What would it be? 3.625? Yeah, 3.625. No, it would be 2. Hold on. Half of this would be, yeah, 3.125. That's what it would be. 3.125. And so, yeah, he was right. He got it right. Let's see what he said. Proof of work requires huge amounts of energy, and basically verifying a transaction, miners need to sell their coins ultimately for the bill. That's not always true, depending on where they get the power. But yeah, we'll say that's right. Proof of stake gives mining power based on the percentage of coins held by a miner. Well, that is and it isn't right, because proof of stake gives mining power based on, yeah, the coins held. It's called a process called staking or baking if it's Tezos. It's basically using the coins as CPU and RAM to power the transactions instead of using electrical energy. It just uses basically the coins of the project to make it that. So that's what proof of stake is. He said it kind of right. But we're going to give it to him. I think that was close enough to the answer, too. Definitely that. Alright, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!